Disclaimer, in this video I will not be talking about how to get girls because frankly even I am working on that, but I do know the reasons why girls don't want to date good guys even though they say, but they don't want to, and there's also a very logical reason why they don't. और ये मैं पूरा चीज़ आपको मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से नहीं बता रहा हूँ, वो तो है ही, but I've also talked to a lot of girls and I've realized कि yeah, there are certain things about the good guys that was supposed to make girls attracted to them, लेकिन उसका पूरा उल्टा ही हो जाता है. And there's also a very logical reason why this happens. Let's talk. First of all, realize the reason why anyone would want to date someone or be in relationship with someone. By the way, the reason is same for both the guys and the girls. It mainly comes down to people wanting to have a different experience. Apart from all the physical requirements that we have, obviously. बाकी सारी चीजें, if you club them up, it will come to one single thing, which is कि कुछ अलग करना है. I want to go to new places. I want to have different experiences. I want to talk about this new things. Now remember this word, different experience. Now let's take an example. Assume that I am the nice guy, and should not be very hard to assume honestly. And you are the girl that I want to go on a date with. Okay. हम लोग दोनों plan करते हैं कि अच्छा let's go somewhere. I feel like having North Indian food, and you feel like having Chinese food. So what do we end up doing? Go and have Chinese food. That's normally what happens. And then the second day we make a plan to go out somewhere. I want to go to a beach and sit and see the sunset, and you want to go to a cafe and have hookah. So what do we end up doing? Go to a cafe and have hookah. And you realize this pattern, right? कि ये चीज़ हर दिन repeat हो रहा है कहीं ना कहीं. And what is the reason why I'm doing this? It is to make you feel important, to make sure कि like you are enjoying your time with me, right? That is mainly the reason why we do it. Also realize the reason why I said anyone would want to be on a date with someone. It is to have a different experience, right? But इस scenario में क्या हुआ? The only one having a different experience was me. But for the girl, in this case you are having the same experience, but this time with the guy. That's why you get bored after some point in time, just because you are doing the same fucking thing every single time. तो आपको क्यों interest आएगा मेरे में? See, you need to realize कि if you are on a date with someone, you are supposed to keep both the personalities in equal level. Even though she might be much better looking than you, but you have certain good things too. I hope so. That you also have some good things within you. Might not be in looks, but in other things. But when you are saying yes to all the things that she wants to do and not doing what you want to do, you're keeping her above of you. Just because आप वो कर रहे हो जो वो चाहती है, वो सुन रहे हो जो वो बोल रही है, खुद का कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, तो you are not in the same level, and this will never end up happening good. That is the reason why आपने देखा होगा कि जो लड़के बहुत एडवेंचरस होते हैं, who are in sports for instance या कुछ भी और चीज़ों में होते हैं, they are attractive for the girls. Why? Because लड़कियों ने उन चीज़ों को कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया. Like supposedly you are good at sports, कोई स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट होता है and you are playing really well, that is a new experience for the girl. That is very attractive. क्योंकि अगर आपका खुद का पर्सनैलिटी नहीं है, then what are you? Like, are you just a name or are you a person? So all in all, what you need to do, my friend, is first of all अपने choices जो है उसको put front करो. कुछ चीज़ें उसकी सुनो, कुछ चीज़ें खुद की करो. You should not be like कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ, आप सब कुछ हो, आप जो बोलोगे वो करूँगा, आप जो बोलोगे वो पहनूंगा. अरे माँ नहीं है तेरी. It is a girl that you want to date, right? So you would want to put in your things too along with hers. Preference कर लो आगे पीछे, that's a different thing. But you need to make sure that your preferences, your choices are also being heard. Otherwise, you will never be attractive to any person in this world. Girl, लड़की तो बहुत दूर की बात है. Even for the guys, you will not be attractive. Like लड़कों में भी no one would want to be very close to you because आपका खुद का कुछ तो है ही नहीं. You're all about the person who is in front of you. You're all about the other person. So realize this whole thing. And make sure that from the next time onwards, whenever you are going out or doing something, make sure that you put your own point in there too. And try to show them the world from your eyes. That is what will build your personality. And that is what will build your attractiveness. That's it for the video. It has been good, I guess. If I could help you really well, I will talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.